Kira, you're a reality star. You're a star. You're a reality star. This is my dog, Kira Cachet Johnson. She was named this because she has a bunch of attitude whenever she takes a bath. Yeah, stuff like that. I am so proud to be her owner because she is a lovely little girl and she is so sweet. Like, she's literally like the best dog ever. I'm sorry to all the other dogs out there. If you're offended, I'm sorry. That's your problem. You're a reality star. See? You're a reality star. Oh, you don't like it? She's like, oh, she's so perfect. You wanna sit with me? And yes, let me go bring out your little bone. Do you like this toy? Do you like this toy? Yeah, she likes this toy a lot. Put it right there. Oh, and let me show you what she did once. And this is what she did. It's one of my dolls.